Hi, my name is Kim and I'm the owner of the trap company. Now I'm going to show you our new mousetrap, and as you can see it's have a very nice product facing, and it's very slim, and inside there's actually 6 traps. So I'm going to show you how it works. Just one moment. Ready? Okay. As I told you, 6 traps inside, and it's very light. I'm going to open like this. As I told you, there was 6 more. And it's very easy to assemble this one. You just start to take it out of the cardboard, and it was very easy to do that. So then you have the mousetrap actually. So the first thing you do is that you take the trap wall and put it inside, and then you start making the tube out of it. It's actually pretty easy. There's a little that you have to open here, and then you're going to put in the arrows. You can see this is arrows, and you put it inside the top of the box. Actually, there's number on it, so if you are in any doubt, just follow the numbers. When you have done that and you are sure that the inside door is pointing the right way, you actually just take the end of the box and flip it down, and again use the arrows. And then you just have to flip down the side doors like this, and it's actually the same way. What you can do is you can put peanut butter inside, or you can put some corn or some nuts, and then it's working, and you can actually see when the mouse is going inside, it can't come out in any way. So, thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.